Okay, once you save this variable, Z for created, and now we need to create another one. Created on. Now we need to create a change on. Right click and create it. Right click and create it. Okay, change it up. So here also we need to select formula variables. We need to create two formula variables. One for character, one for created date, another one for changed date. And browse also, we need to select this object. Okay. And now we need to select next. So this is always info object only we are doing, not variable. So we having both info objects only, right? And now, see, now this is not input ready. You can check like no, what is the type of variable, formula variable, processing type, replacement path. Okay, very important this one. And go to replacement path. You can see this is always key only. Don't do any changes. And go to currencies. And this you just make it as a date and save it. Okay, once you close this one and go to our Bex query and go to sheet for definition and go to here and create one new formula. So in this formula, see here, I don't see our things because we are into structure key figures. Okay, we having only delivery quantity in the structure level. We having only delivery quantity in this our structure level. So, oh, so we having only one key figure in the key figure structure level. So we need to select variables. We need to select variables. So now we search for see these two only we created, right? Just to do change it on, just change it on. These two only we created. And minus, this is subtraction. And this is created on. Okay. Now click on OK. So this is how we'll do it. So if you want to change this counter difference two dates like this as per your requirement, you can give the description. Okay, now once you execute this report, we can able to see in the report level. Okay, once you do, okay, go here and refresh it. Go back, search for our ZCP underscore, Dell underscore. Okay, fail to establish in a connection. There is a issue. Okay, you can see here created and cannot be used in this query. So basically, this is not reflected as per. Okay, so in the Bex query level, basically we need to see that option created on like that. Okay, here that is the way it is coming. So here after creating variables also it has to come. But here we don't get it. Okay. So let me try another way. Create variable on the same only. This is reference characteristic. I'll change this formula variable. Okay. Formula variable and do this one replacement path and take this reference is same. What is this? ZCP for ZCP underscore Dell underscore very that. Is it coming? No, it's not coming. So there is a issue, it's not replicating for me. So, but process is same. Okay, we will get the difference same like this. So when I do not do any changes here, so if you go characteristic, let me close it. So immediately it is coming reference as a, okay. See, by default it is coming reference characteristic, this one. But whatever we created, okay, in the composite product, whatever we associate, that has to reflect. That is not coming basically, it has to come. Okay, if you do changes, formula variable, and do the replacement path, it has to come. It is not allowing. Okay, let me try formula variable to created on. It not sure it will allow or not. Okay, let me try. Finish and replacement path same as it is, currency and date. Okay, some issue is there in the bottom. You can see it is throwing. Generally, in the system, it has query generated. Okay, use it in this query. Okay, close, close. Okay. So in this Bex query, we are already using this field share definition, and I will delete this one. This I will delete this one. That is the way it is showing. Okay, let me save it. Okay, okay. Now, in the same way, we created, right? Created on. You can see. So see, after creating it has to come. Okay, after creating it has to come. So because this is not a characteristic in conflict. So that is the way we are unable to see it. So basically, once we associate, then it has to come. Okay. Or else in the DSO, while you are creating DSO itself, we need to do something. Okay. Like how you do, go here and there is a option. Okay. Here we have a DSO. This is a DSO. Here we need to add that info object. So we will drop the data, go,
అన్నా
yeah,
అన్నా
yes, yes.
అన్నా మీ స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదన్నా.
Okay. Sorry, sorry. Okay, can you see now?
లేదన్నా, అలానే ఉంది.
I already shared. No? Still same, huh?
లేదు, స్టిల్ సేమ్ అన్నా.
Let me stop and let me start it. Okay. Is it fine?
ఓకే అన్నా.
Okay, okay. So here I'm going to change these dates, okay? Problem with it is not changing in the compute product created. So here itself I'm changing it. Okay, add info object. Okay. Okay, I'm adding it, this one. Okay, and change it on. Okay, now I'm taking two info objects because there is a issue in the multi-provider, so it is not associating properly. Why it is not added? Okay. Okay. I already given AE that. Now you can see two because I given the filter. Okay, let me activate this one and okay, we need to map this one. Okay, so because see, it is saying that field name AE is multiple times. So let me delete this one. Change run. Delete. Okay, this is field. Okay, now activate it. So if you have anything, so like this, we need to clear them. Okay, now it is activated. So what we need to do next? In the transformation level also, we need to map it properly. Go here, otherwise the data will not go. In the rules, okay, here I will type 0 created on. Okay, see here, it is not mapped. Here, created on, I will skip. So like this, you can map it. Okay. What is this? Created on, right? Year date. Okay, this year date I'll map to created on. Okay, this is created on date. Now AE data. Now I can see AE date. Here also we need to keep AE date. See, this is informed, right? Uh, Map to this one. So now we have a two informed. Now you can see two informed. Now you can see two info. These are all info objects. Whatever you can see dimension, this one triangles. See created on. I have taken as a created on. So here we need to create. These two are dates. Now activate it. Close and DTP also we need to activate because it is in inactive mode. Changes happen. No? Exit. Delete and go to PW. Z del lips, right? RSMNG. Here, okay, this one, go to here and delete this old request. Delete this whole request and we need to load. Okay, and now I will execute this one. How to execute from here? Eclipse, we need to execute this one. Now you can go here, monitor it. Now you can go and monitor it. So now it's loaded and activate it. Now you can see the dates too under this two. So if you go and see it, how you will see? Go to utilities and go to active. Now you can see the two dates. Under this two info objects. Where is that info object? You can go right side. Left that, not left. This created on. One more thing, that, right? This one. These two are info objects. Now we have dates as well. Okay. Now in the report, in the complete product also, we need to do some changes. See, like this, we have to do any changes real time also. So understand the scenario and based on that, we need to map it. So here already changes happen in the below DSO level. See, we already added in the complete product. We need to tell the system as well. Okay, here we have a created on. Okay, so here we having created an this info object, not yet reflected still not reflected. Thus info object we need to come 0 created on 0 created on that info object need to come. See, not came. That means close and we need to refresh them. We need to refresh. What is this? Refresh. Okay. Then only it will adjust it. Where is this created on? Just type it, you will get it. No need to search. Now see, now it is created on. So this we need to map to target. Okay, don't do anything. See, this is, we already moved it. That is the way it is showing that. Okay, now, and AE that. AE that. So we have a info object changed on and just move it. And this we don't require old one. So it is in yellow color. So now it is mapped to info object. Now just remove this one. Just remove this one. Now you will see the little difference. Okay. Now you can activate it. So now you can able to create on top of this one. Okay. So we already created all structures are changed. So now we need to do some adjustments here. Whatever we created. Okay. Here we have it. And do we have created changed on here? No. No. Okay. Go to filters. Do we have here? No. Fine. So here we have a created on now. Where is created on? Let's search for it. So here we can see created on. Like this it has to come. Okay. So now we can see changed on, created on. These two info objects. These are all fields. How you can say field? Z, ZC, ZCP underscore del underscore year that. That means ZCP underscore del is complete product name. It is coming from complete product field. So you can see this is info object. Info objects be like this. Okay, now you can see here, right click, right click. Now you can create any variable. Z for I'm giving 1. Okay, and you can see this is formula variable, replacement path. I will take browse. Okay, reference is this one only, created on 0, created on. Now it has to come. Okay, now it has to come. So like this reference based on this only we are creating the, so under this you will see, okay, whatever we create, Z underscore far. So now you can create it. Go to replacement path. No need to do any changes. Here we need to do only date and save it. Okay, after saving this one, you can see here where it is created on. Whatever we created that we need to see here. Okay, now it is not coming. Okay, we'll see there while restricting also. And one more thing, A is changed on. Okay, here we need to create new object. Okay, Z for underscore 2. Okay, changed on. Okay, here we need to select formula variable. Okay, procedure is same. This is only procedure. Here browse level, I'll select 0 AE dat. Same, that info object has to come. Earlier it is not coming. That is we did mistake, like the system is not supporting. Okay, here go to currencies and we need to select just that. In the whole system it will work, but it is a bit. Okay, now go here and now we need to create this one formula. Okay, you can create CKF or you can create formula. Now I need to select this one. What we created z for underscore 1 and z underscore 2. These two are we created, right? Okay, what is this? 2 minus z1. Earlier we got some issue, right? Let me save it. While you are saving, are you getting any issue? No. Earlier we got some issue. Okay, let me copy this back query and we'll see. And go to here, edit this, and go back. Okay, now search it. This second query still showing some issue. Okay, this is not supporting. Basically, this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure we will do it. Variable cannot be used in this query. Okay, let me try in RS30 level. In the last batch, I executed in BW on HANA system. That time it works. Okay, let me execute. So here we having a BAPEX as well. We cannot able to see properly results. No applicable data found. It is not working as expected as well. Okay. And okay, let me do one thing. Okay, tomorrow what I will do, same thing I will do it in the older system. I will show you. So procedure is same. Okay, same procedure. Nothing will change. 100%. So even I will share the document as well on this one. You can follow the same thing. Okay, same. Nothing will be changed. Same procedure. Okay, because this is a dummy system, it is not working for me. So basically, once you execute, it has to show. Okay, so variable cannot be used in this query. It is showing just not used in this query. Okay, this is not a wrong. Okay, we did not define as a wrong. If we are wrong, if you define as a wrong, so it has to like no, it has to show. While saving, it has to throw error. So we did not throw, it is not throwing an error. Okay. So we'll see. Tomorrow I will create and I will show you the results in the old system. Okay. So we'll connect and tomorrow we'll discuss about others as well. Okay.